Hello, guys, and welcome again to another edition of Learning with Rich. Okay, so in this topic, I'm going to teach you another tool that you can use in Navisworks Manage 2018 that is called Hold. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool Hold to navigate around the model in Navisworks. Okay, because in your model, it is possible to pick up or hold selected items and move around with them in the model. Okay, in conjunction with the walk tool. So let's say, for example, you may be viewing a plan or 3D view for a factory and would like to see different configurations of machine layouts, then the whole tool is for you. So you'll be able to walk while holding an element in your model. Okay. So again, in conjunction with the walk tool, we can actually select an item, pick it up, and carry it around with us as we roam through the building. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the basic sample project file that you can find in Revit Architecture. So you can open up directly here in Navisworks and you can also export it. Okay, so it's up to you. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is um, I'm going to sneak into the building here and let me try to take or steal a table or chair. Okay, and then I'm going to move it around. Okay, so using the pan tool. Okay, so I'm just going to use the walk tool. This is a very quick exercise. I'm just going to demonstrate you this hold tool. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in. I'm gonna use the pan tool. Oops. Okay, so walk tool. Okay, so there's the orbit. Oops. All right. So I'm going to use the walk tool again. I'm going to pass through this wall here. Just make sure if you're going to use the walk tool, make sure that collision is turned off. Okay, so that you'll be able to pass through the wall. Okay, so I'm just going to move in. Okay, and let me just pan a bit. Okay, right. So walk tool. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to select the tool here, select tool, and then I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna select this chair here. Okay, you can check out what is the property of that by turning on the properties here. So that's a furniture chair. Okay, now after you select the object, so what you can do is you can select here the item tools contextual tab, and then from here there's the hold panel, so you can see there the hold tool. It allows you to hold, allows holding of selected items and moving around with them in the scene. Okay, so I'm going to select that. You click this one. There you go. And then as you can see, as you walk, you will notice, okay, the chair is moving also. It's kind of hold. So you're now holding the chair. So if you want to transfer it or if you want to move it somewhere here, yeah, you can do that one. Okay. So after you move, so you can unhold it and then you can check out again your design if this is the one that you would like to see in your model. I'm just going to skip couple times. Okay. And then from there, you can check out how it looks like. Okay. All right. So you can use the hold tool. Okay. So let me try again. So I'm going to use the walk tool again. I'm going to zoom in. Okay. So use the select tool, select the object, select the item tools, and then you can select here the hold tool. Okay. So as you click that, okay. So I'm going to select walk again. So I'm going to move now. So I say I want to transfer this. Okay, so I'm going to move. Okay. All right. Okay. There you go. Okay. All right. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna place it here. There you go. And then you just need to unhold it, escape. Okay. So there you go. So that's how I use the hold tool. So hope this video has been helpful to you guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so once again, this is Rich. Have a nice day.